In today's short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing in less than 50 seconds. Yes, in less than 50 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi option, disable the Wi-Fi, and then go back to the settings, click on the apps manager, open the apps. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram, click on it like this, click on force stop here in the top. After that, go down to the storage, click on it and click on clear data and clear cache. Then go back again to the settings page, go back to the wireless and networks, and then enable the Wi-Fi like this, and then go to the home page again. This time click on the Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this. After that, click here on update if you don't have the latest version. That's it guys. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.